chrome dreams, and summer steam. The sun blazes, the asphalt shimmers, and a familiar rumble builds across the land. Summer is here, and with it comes a spectacle of steel, chrome, and pure, unadulterated horsepower. We're talking about truck shows, folks, and these titans of the highway are getting ready to shine. The prep is monumental. Forget a quick car wash. Getting a big rig ready for a summer truck show is an Olympic sport in detailing. We're talking weeks, sometimes months of dedication. Every square inch, from the towering grille to the rear mud flaps, is scrubbed, polished, and perfected. Owners can spend hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars on specialized cleaning products, waxes, and polishes to achieve that mirror-like, can see your reflection from space shine. Some even use toothbrushes and cotton swabs for the tiniest crevices. It's not just about looks. While the gleam is glorious, these trucks are also mechanically immaculate. Before they hit the showgrounds, engines are fine-tuned, fluids are checked, and every working part is inspected. A show truck that looks amazing but can't roar to life or pull away smoothly. That's a showstopper for all the wrong reasons. The pride extends deep into the engine bay, often as clean and polished as the exterior. Customization is king. Summer truck shows are a canvas for incredible creativity. You'll see everything from classic, lovingly restored Peterbilts and Kenworths that look like they rolled off a 1970s movie set, to ultra-modern rigs with custom paint jobs that are genuine works of art. Think intricate airbrushing, dazzling pearlescent finishes, and pinstriping so fine it defies belief. And the chrome. Oh, the chrome. From bumpers and exhaust stacks to fuel tanks and wheels, if it can be chromed, it will be, and it will be blinding. The sound is as big as the trucks. Air horns are a language all their own at a truck show. From deep bellowing train horns that shake the ground to playful musical chimes. And it's not just horns. Custom exhaust systems are tuned for that perfect throaty rumble or a high-performance roar. Add in the thumping bass from incredible sound systems often installed in the cabs, and you've got an auditory experience that matches the visual feast. Judging is serious business. While many attend for the fun and spectacle, there are often fierce but friendly competitions. Trucks are judged on multiple categories: cleanliness, paint, chrome, lights, interior, engine, the list goes on. Winning Best in Show, or even a category prize, is a massive point of pride, a testament to the countless hours of hard work and dedication. So, as the summer heat rolls in, keep an eye out. Those gleaming giants you see on the highway might just be heading to a show near you, ready to put on a dazzling display. From the painstaking preparation to the stunning final presentation, these trucks aren't just getting ready to roll, they're getting ready to shine, embodying the spirit, power, and passion of the open road. That's right, folks, trucking makes the world go round.
Bye.